Hi guys, Langa Zulu here, Head of Business at AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy. Today it's a special day. We're having an SMG AlgoAtWork AI Day. It's a day of robotics as well as AI for the kids. But we decided to spin things a little bit today. Hence we partnered with SMG BMW Umhlanga and provided a treat for the parents as well. So whilst the kids are doing robotics, doing coding and doing tech, the parents are driving around the beautiful roads of Durban, with the fully electric vehicles powered by BMW Umhlanga. We've got the iX40, we've got the i4. Essentially, parents, testing these beautiful monsters, driving around. But essentially, the whole purpose is to obviously push the future of mobility, which is, electric, eco-friendly, as well as technologies. But also, most importantly, to ensure that, we do collaborations that are purposeful, that speak to our brands, and as well as what we stand for, as SMG, as AlgoAtWork. So obviously, do look forward to more of these. This is the start for many more bigger things that we're going to have for our clientele, for our stakeholders and partners. So essentially, we've had fun. People are enjoying themselves. Parents are enjoying themselves with the beautiful cars and, the super fast electric BMW cars, as well as the kids as well, who are doing the robotics as well as AI. So it's been a pleasure for us to partner with SMG, as well as our technology partner as well, which is also powering us as well today to ensure that on the technology side of things, the hardware, Arduino, and all of that stuff is also catered for as well and covered. So thank you so much to our partners and stakeholders. Most importantly, BMW Umhlanga, for this special treat and special day for the kids. The kids also got goodies as well. They got caps, they got water bottles, they got all their cool hampers as well, as part and parcel of the day as well. So thank you so much.